Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, Kevin Rapkoch Fishing. Just got done with a little sleepover at a campsite in northern Arizona. And I was down by the creek here and saw some GILA trout in there. So I'm gonna grab my 3-weight fly rod. Let's go real quick, see if we can catch one. Let's go. Got him, guys. Got one, guys. Nice. Saw him out there. Cast this woolly bugger ahead of him. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's a nice size GILA trout. Wow. It's the biggest GILA trout I've ever caught, I think. I'd switched over to this purple woolly bugger. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Yeah, guys, woke up this morning in my little camper setup in the SUV and came down to this creek and saw some of these GILA trout. Missed a couple under a rock over there, and then saw this guy cruising and pitched out that woolly bugger, and he just went right up for it. Actually see him swimming around down there. He's chasing a little, I think that's a little, maybe a sucker or a brown trout, I'm not sure, but he's swimming around down there. Awesome. Let's try to get another one. Got one, guys. Oh, nice. It's a rainbow. It's a beauty. Looks like a wild rainbow. That's pretty awesome. Got him on this nymph that I tied with my help of my daughter. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Wow. It's about 11, 12 inches. There he goes. That was sweet. That was sweet. I wasn't expecting a rainbow in here, or in this little section. That was awesome. Yeah, they kind of stopped, or they were short striking those woolly buggers and streamers, so I put on a little dirty nymph that I tied, a white color. Yeah, that was awesome. Hey guys, well, we're gonna wrap up this little short video. That was a blast. I actually have to check out of my camp spot right now and leave this little section, but really fun to get into some Gila trout. Missed, I think, probably 3 or 4 fish, but hey, we landed a good sized Gila, and then I was surprised laying that really pretty rainbow trout too. The Gila was on the woolly bugger and the rainbow trout was on the nymph. And anyway, that was a blast. If you guys liked the video, please hit that like button. Thanks so much for joining me again, Kevin Rapkoch Fishing. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.